Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how to make a sexy baby doll lingerie. For this you'll need elastic, chiffon color of your choice, and also lace. I am using black. You can choose your own favorite color. And also these stretchy cotton ropes that I made from a old t-shirt. So first guys, I'm going to cut all the bra cups, and also guys I'm going to make a bead of sword. So I'm taking 18 inches for myself. But if you want to make some long, then you can take 30 to 40 inches. So first I'm starting out with cutting all the bra cups. I'm using 36 bust size, but you can choose you can choose your own size bra pattern. So pin it up and cut the fabric first. Guys, no matter what, if you're single like me, you can still wear this baby doll dress because you don't have to impress anybody. You can just impress yourself. Just stay sexy and stay awesome as always. Next guys, just measure your under bust band. So I'm taking almost 22 inches for myself. I'm going to attach this with this lace fabric. So almost it's looking like a beautiful skirt. As you can see, I have attached the elastic with this and also stitched the side. And also don't forget to cut all the rough edges you have. And then I'll attach the bra cups with it, and your liner will be ready guys. And also you can give your any back design. I have made a crisscross back design, so just keep watching and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Well, also thank you so much for your support.